Welcome to our creative zone. Today, we'll be making confetti for a party. Confetti is tiny pieces of paper that we make fly in the air to celebrate. For our creative project, we need the following materials: crayons, paper, scissors, cardboard tube, a balloon. Color each paper in the colors you like. I'm using the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Cut the papers into different small shapes to create confetti. Make a cardboard tube or use a toilet paper tube. Cut a small piece off the wide end of the balloon. Put the balloon on one end of the tube and tie a knot. Now add the confetti you made and let's celebrate! Remember to clean your area. See you soon in our creative zone.